What are you showing today?
Okay, so this is a computer program which can play the game Go. So the game Go, it's an ancient Chinese game, about 4,000 years old, and it's very complex, so people haven't been able to get a computer to play Go very strongly. So I'm going to talk a bit later about why that is, but if we start the game, you can see what it looks like. So people play on a board which is a grid, and you place stones on the board where the lines meet, and you have two players, black and white. Black player places black stones on the board, the white player places white stones, and they take it in turns. And once you place a stone, it is not moved, but stones can be captured by being surrounded by opponent's stones. And the aim of the game is to make territory on the board by surrounding it with your stones. So here, sort of black is maybe trying to make a bit of territory in the bottom right of the board by moving stones like this. But because he's done this, white has begun to surround this stone up here. So that's the sort of very basics of the game. Now, the computer here is playing for white, and I'm playing for black. And the way that the computer works is by playing random games from the current position to the end of the game. So this laptop gives a bit of a demonstration of that. So if you have a position, you can simulate the game forward from that position to the end, and then once you're at the end of the game, you can see what the outcome of the game was and use that as a sample of what the outcome might be in general from that position. You can see this, the predictions that the computer can make on this board as well. So here, the regions which are highlighted in black are the regions where it thinks that black is going to own at the end of the game. The regions highlighted in white are the regions where it thinks that white is going to own at the end of the game, and the other regions it's more uncertain about. The other crucial component in this program which makes it strong is a pattern system which is trained from records of historical expert games. So there's also a demonstration of this on the laptop. So what we do is we associate each move on the board with a pattern. So if the player is thinking about moving in the position marked with a green cross, then that move is associated with a pattern, which is the shaded region. And what we do is this position, this Go position, is taken from an expert game. And we know that the expert made one move, which was the original move, but they could have made any move on the board. And what we do is we use a ranking system called TrueSkill, which is used to rank players on Xbox Live in order to rank these patterns based on the choice made by the expert players. And then we use these patterns to prune away bad moves in the Go game, which can mean that it's stronger. And that's how it's able to play strong. So that's pretty much the essence of this game.